Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss and talk about promoting and how to earn money by promoting. If you want to earn like some major income, you have to start promoting your business. You have to. Like a lot of people don't want you to know the secrets, you know what I mean? To earn money, to earn all the money that you want in the world, it's all about promoting. Okay? Now there's a million ways to promote and there's different industries for you to promote in. It depends on what your niche is and what your passion is, right? See, y'all know me, I deal with a lot of entrepreneurs and I discuss a lot of wealthy financial topics. Also, topics dealing with our society and stuff like that, and secrets and stuff that we don't know about that we need to know about. So I always share with you guys this type of information, right? You guys need to start promoting, right? That's the way you earn money. This way to earn money is promoting. You open up a company, right? No matter what that company or business is, and you have to maintain promoting it. If you open up, let's just say, any home care business, any business in the home care field, you promote it, advertise, do a lot of advertisement, okay? Um, Promoting your YouTube channel. If you start a YouTube channel, you want to promote it. Promote it using Google AdSense, promote it using different platforms, promote it using the internet, period, okay? This is how you earn money. This is how you become wealthy and rich. Like there's no super complicated dialogue, or it's like there's no like secret book with all the secret remedies to become famous and to become rich. If you want to become an entrepreneur and have great success, you have to promote. In order to earn money, you have to get these ads. Pay for your ads. Pay for all the advertisement that you feel that is needed for whatever niche you're going to open. Whatever the business is, just make sure you promote it. If you want to open up a restaurant, right? You can do that, okay? But make sure that that restaurant is known on different platforms so that we can know who you are. You know what I mean? And also when it comes to promoting, interact with us, get engaged with other entrepreneurs and other people that's inside of the same field that you're interested in. Like link up with us. We all need to come together as a community and we all need to teach each other. That's one of the main things about earning money is promoting. You can open up any business that you want. You can open up any company that you want that you have a passion for, right? And it will be successful only if you promote it. And now promoting it on the internet is great. All the way thumbs up. It's great. You can also promote your company verbally. You see what I'm saying? You have to promote your company in order to earn money. Get get all your friends and you have a word of mouth conversation with them, letting them know about your business. You feel me? Get your business cards. Get your business cards up, pressed, and ready, okay? Hand your business cards out. Discuss with the people why and the community why they should join your business, okay? Promote it. This is the only way to earn money is by consistently promoting your business, your brand. You want to consistently promote your brand. No one else is going to do all the work for you. So you got to let the ads do the work for you, okay? Whatever it is it may be that you have a passion for, you can become successful overnight. You can become successful within a week, but you have to promote it. Even if you got to use your Instagram page to promote it, use your Instagram platform. Even if you got to use your Facebook page to promote it, use your Facebook platform, okay? But you must promote your business in order to earn money. To earn majors and major amount of money, like the millionaires that I hang with and that I deal with, do you know what they do? All of them promote. You have to promote using the ads. You got to promote using all different blogs, make vlogs about it, promote using forums, promote using word of mouth, promote using the internet, promote using billboards, also promote using newspaper ads, okay? There's plenty of ways you can promote your brand, okay? You just have to start thinking about it like that, and you're going to earn plenty of revenue. I'm promising you, you're going to earn millions of dollars. I deal with millionaires on a daily. And the main thing that we all have in common is that we all believe that you have to promote your brand. You have to in order to earn money. Even if you want to do cooking and you got a cooking channel, promote that cooking channel. You know, if you're not an internet person, promote that business in person. You know, pay for your business cards and make sure you put your flyers everywhere. Put your flyers where people are going to see them. If you're into the cooking niche, put your flyers at a grocery store where you're good with the owner at, you know, and you're known with the employees at, you know. Just always remember to promote and use as many ads that you can advertise with. You use as many ads as you can in order to promote what your brand is about and where you want to get to in life. It's going to bring all the revenue, okay? So work your job and keep building on your business, right? And when you have enough wealth accumulated and saved up, invest all of that money into marketing your company. And there you go. You see what I'm saying? Because you work so hard, even if you got to work hard for 2 years straight without spending anything, right? Besides your living expenses or whatever, you take all that and pay for your billboards, pay for your internet advertisement ads, you know, pay for just pay for every advertisement angle that you can possibly come up with, and watch, you're going to be successful. It's been seen over and over and over and over and over. Whenever you want to earn money and you want to, I'm talking about millions of dollars, not no little money, I'm talking about millions of dollars, you have to invest in your ads. That's the main thing. Promote yourself. Stop sitting around waiting on someone to help you and to some mysteriously get rich scheme and scam. No. The scheme and scam of getting rich is already within you. You don't need to scheme. You don't need to scam. You have a perfect talent that God has blessed within you. Or you can say the universe, if you're not a godly person. Or the universe, you know, you have a great talent. The universe, whatever you may call it, the universe of God, whatever, it don't matter. But the universe has placed a great gift already in you. Okay? Now, I'm finna bring that out of you because you are somebody. You can be successful, and actually you are a successful person. And I know you're a successful person because you're watching my channel and you're subscribed to my channel. So I know you're a future millionaire because that's what I deal with. I deal with future millionaires and future famous people, okay, and celebrities that are on the uprise. And I also deal with society that needs advice so that they can become famous people, okay? My main thing that I suggest in order for you to earn money is to take advantage of paid advertisement. It's very cheap. They have different sites where you can just pay $3. They got sites where you can pay $300, okay? It's not the price that matters. It just depends on your situation and what type of advertisement do you need? What type of marketing do you need? What type of exposure do you need? What type of audience do you need? And you set your rates based on that. Don't set your rates based on what the price is. You set the rates based on your niche and how you feel it's going to embetter your company and your brand. And that's the way you make millions and billions of dollars. Okay? You have to promote. Promoting is the key. Okay? You can drop a hot video on YouTube, right, you guys? It can be hot. It can be, whoo, that video is fire. But how we're going to know if you haven't promoted it? You see what I'm saying? It needs to get seen. You need to put it out in front of the people. You see what I'm saying? Like whatever business that you open or whatever your talent is, promote it. You know, you can be anything that you want to be and you can be successful. You are going to be successful, right? But you have to realize that everything when it comes to success, it all boils down to advertisement and promoting and how hard you advertise it. Don't just promote something one time and expect for it to just go viral or this company just to take off. Nah, promote your company every single chance you get. That's the way that you earn money. You want big finance, great money? Put your revenue behind your advertisement. It's just that simple. Whatever your craft is, it doesn't even matter. Whatever your passion is, it doesn't matter. There's no limits to the places you can be financially. You just have to be willing to advertise and promote. That's all you have to do. And that's how you earn all the money in the world. I deal with some of the richest people on earth. They're always emailing me, they're always in contact with me, and they always tell me the secret. And the secret to success is promotion. I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing, and don't forget to share this video.